Good morning. Day 3 of our journey. आई एम श्योर आप सबने अपना एक्सरसाइज करके बहुत ही क्लैरिटी देख ली है अपने फ्यूचर में. व्हाट इज इट दैट यू वांट टू डू, व्हाट इज इट दैट यू वांट टू अचीव. And today our actual gratitude journey starts. Day 1 of gratitude. So let me share the screen with you so that we can see what is it that we have to do today. Perfect. So what is here on this picture? There is a window, and on this there is a copy, a pen and a cup of brewing tea or coffee, whatever you want, right? And when I started counting my blessings, my whole life turned around. Willie Nelson, singer and songwriter. You will have heard people say to count your blessings. And when you think about the things you are grateful for, that's exactly what you're doing. But what you may not have realized is that counting your blessings is one of the most powerful practices you can ever do. And it will magically turn your whole life around. When you are grateful for the things you have, no matter how small they may be, you will see those things instantly increase. If you are grateful for the money you have, however little, you will see your money magically grow. If you're grateful for a relationship, even if it's not perfect, you will see it miraculously gets even better. If you are grateful for the job that you have, even if it's not your dream job, you will see things will begin to change so that you enjoy your job more. And all kinds of opportunities for your work will suddenly appear. So, देखा है आप लोगों ने क्या ऐसे होते हुए, है ना, कि हम जो चीज सोचते हैं वही होती है. पर आयरनी या खराब बात क्या है कि हमारे साथ अगर दिन में एक खराब चीज हो जाती है ना, इंक्लूडिंग मी, हम उसी के बारे में सोचते रहते हैं, टेंशन करते रहते हैं. और जो 10 अच्छी चीज़ें हो रही होती हैं, हम सांस ले रहे हैं, हम जी रहे हैं, हम हंस रहे हैं, हमारे हाथ पैर चल रहे हैं, हम जिंदा हैं, हमारे आसपास रिलेशनशिप्स हैं, हमारे पास काम है, व्हाटएवर, हम उसको साइड पे रख देते हैं और एक प्रॉब्लम को लेके घूमते रहते हैं, राइट? तो देखते हैं रोंडा ब्रायन इसमें हमें क्या समझाना चाह रही है. द फ्लिप साइड इज दैट when we are not counting our blessings, we can fall into the trap of unintentionally counting negative things. We count negative things when we talk about the things we don't have. We count negative things when we criticize or found faults with other people. When we complain about traffic, waiting in lines, delays, the government, not enough money or the weather. When we count negative things, they increase too. But on top of that, with every negative thing we count, we cancel out blessings that were on their way. And how many blessings do we cancel out? Any ideas? 10. For one negative thought, 10 blessings are cancelled out. Just look back at your life and think, what are you doing? Where are you today? And you will have all your answers in front of you. I've tried both, counting my blessings and counting negative things. And I can assure you that counting your blessings is the only way to have abundance in your life. Better to lose count while naming your blessings than to lose your blessings to counting your troubles. Maltby D. Babcock, writer and clergyman. First thing in the morning or as early in the day as you can, count your blessings. You can write out your list by hand, type it on a computer, or use a special book or journal and keep all your gratitude in one place. Today, you're going to make a simple list of 10 blessings in your life you're grateful for. क्या करना है आज? सिर्फ 10 blessings लिखनी है अपनी जिसके लिए आप grateful हो. When Einstein gave thanks, he thought why he was grateful. When you think about the reason why you are grateful for a particular thing, person, or situation, you will feel the gratitude more deeply. Remember that the gratitude magic happens according to the degree of your feeling. So with each item on your list, write the reason why you are grateful for it. So here are some ideas for writing your list. I'm truly blessed to have my lovely family because they motivate me to invest in myself, to study more and more so as that I am able to heal more number of patients. I'm so happy and grateful for Big Cutscene Gratitude Program because it helps me stay in that positive zone of gratitude and counting my blessings throughout the day. I'm truly grateful for the lovely sun which comes out every day because it gives me energy. It shows me a new day, more motivation to do something more unique, innovative, and contribute to the society. With all my heart, thank you for being in my life, Sunny, because your love makes me flourish and grow and, be happy. After you've finished making your list of 10 blessings, go back and read each one, either in your mind or out loud. And when you get to end of each blessing, say the magic words 3 times. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And feel the gratitude for that blessing as much as you possibly can. So जब आप ये थैंक यू बोलोगे ना, जितने ज़्यादा मन से बोलोगे उतना ग्रैटिट्यूड डीपर जाएगा. So just keep your heart on your hand on your heart and say with a smile, thank you, thank you, thank you. And your gratitude will go deeper. To help you feel more gratitude, you can be grateful for the universe, God, spirit, goodness in life, your greater self, or any other concept you are drawn to. When you direct gratitude towards something or someone, you will feel it even more, and your gratitude will have even more power and create more magic. It's the reason why indigenous and ancient cultures choose symbols like the sun to direct their gratitude towards. They were simply using physical symbols to represent the universal source of all goodness. And in focusing on the symbol, they felt more gratitude. The practice of counting your blessings is so simple and so powerful in altering your life that I want you to continue to add 10 more blessings to your list every day for the next 27 days. You might think it could be difficult to find 10 things you're grateful for every day. But the more you think about it, the more you will realize how much you have to be grateful for. Look closely at your life. You have received and are continuing to receive so much each and every day. There is really so much to give thanks for. You could be grateful for your home, your family, your friends, your work, and your pets. You could be thankful for the sun, the water that you drink, the food that you eat, and the air that you breathe. Without any of them, you won't be alive. You could be grateful for the trees, the animals, the oceans, the birds, the flowers, the plants, blue skies, rain, the stars, the moon, our beautiful planet Earth. You could be grateful for your senses, your eyes that see, your ears that hear, your mouth that tastes, your nose that smells, and your skin that enables you to feel. You could be grateful for the legs you walk on, your hands that you use to do almost everything, your voice that enables you to express yourself and communicate with others, motivate others to do things which are out of their boundaries. You could give thanks for your amazing immune system that keeps you well, and to all your organs that maintain your body so that you can live. And what about the magnificence of your human mind, with no computer technology in the world can duplicate? Here is a list of subjects that will remind you of the major areas you can look for blessings to be grateful for. You can also add any subject you want depending on what is important to you at any time. Magic gratitude subjects. It could be health and body, it could be work and success, money, relationships, passions, happiness, love, life, nature, planet Earth, air, water, and the sun. Material goods and services, your car, your house, your solitaire, any subject of your choosing. You should feel significantly better and happier after each time you count your blessings. And how good you feel is your measure of how much gratitude you felt. The more gratitude you felt, the happier you will feel, and the faster your life will change. Remember, we read it in our last class. If you give gratitude a little, your life will change a little. If you give gratitude a lot, your life will change a lot. Similarly, the deeper your gratitude is, the more happiness you will feel, and the faster your life will change. But as you continue to count your blessings every day, you will notice a bigger and bigger difference in the way you feel each day, each time. And you will see your blessings magically multiply, multiply, multiply. Beautiful. So, what's your homework for today? Just write 10 blessings, read them later, and with your heart on your hand, say, thank you, thank you, thank you. And thank you everybody for watching this and being with me on this magical, amazing, awesome journey of creating our own lives. So let me end this with a beautiful poem for all of us. This little light of mine, let it shine, let it shine, let it shine. This little light of mine, let it shine, let it shine, let it shine. This little light of mine, let it shine, let it shine, let it shine. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. See you tomorrow, 6 a.m.